Imagine a city rising from the desert like a dream. Tall glass towers reach for the sky. Gold markets sparkle in the sun. Luxury cars race on wide, smooth roads. Dubai seems like the richest, happiest place on earth. Tourists take selfies with the Burj Khalifa. Influencers show five-star hotels and indoor ski slopes. But look closer. Behind the bright lights, the real story is very different. Everyday people face hard truths while cameras capture only perfection. This video tells the full story in simple words. No made-up tales, just facts from reports, workers, and experts. Let's explore the glamour and what hides behind it. The shiny side. Everyone sees. Dubai is a city of dreams, money, and power, but it wasn't always like this. In 1960, it was a quiet fishing town. Oil arrived and changed everything. Today, Dubai earns from trade, tourism, and real estate, not just oil. The Burj Khalifa pierces the sky at 829 meters. Palm Jumeirah stretches into the sea like a giant palm tree. Dubai Mall has 1,200 shops, an ice rink, and an aquarium with 33,000 fish. 17 million visitors arrive each year, spending on desert safaris, yacht parties, and gold shopping, without paying taxes. Police drive Lamborghinis. Hotels serve gold cappuccinos. Dubai hosts Formula One, world fairs, and luxury shows. Expats earn high salaries with no income tax, while Emiratis enjoy free healthcare, education, and sometimes homes. Life seems perfect, safe, and controlled. Air-conditioned malls, punctual metro trains, and English signs make life easy. But behind the selfies and shiny towers, another Dubai waits, one the cameras never show. Who builds the dream? Step away from Dubai's glittering skyline, and a harsher reality appears. On the city's outskirts, labor camps house the men who build its towers, drive its cars, and clean its streets. About 88% of Dubai's 3.6 million people are foreign workers, mostly from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, and the Philippines. Many earn just $200 to $400 a month after paying $2,000 to $4,000 recruitment fees to secure their jobs. The kafala system ties workers to employers, who often keep passports and can cancel visas, leaving workers vulnerable to jail or deportation. Summer temperatures reach 50 degrees Celsius, yet labor begins at 5 a.m., causing heat stroke and exhaustion. Between 2004 to 2022, at least 6,500 South Asian workers died in the UAE. Dormitories are cramped, meals repetitive, and most of their pay, around 70%, goes home. Visits with family are rare, sometimes only once every 2 years. This is the hidden cost behind Dubai's glamour. Maids in the mansions. Behind villa gates, another hidden story waits. Over 200,000 women work as domestic helpers. They cook, clean, and care for children up to 16 hours a day. Pay starts at $250 a month. Many sleep on kitchen floors. Employers keep their passports. In 2023, the International Labor Organization said UAE maids face the highest risk of abuse in the Gulf. Some employers shout, slap, or lock maids inside. Escape is difficult. Police sometimes return runaways to their employers. A new 2022 law gives maids 1 day off per week and 30 days paid leave. But the law is weak without proper checks. A Filipina maid told BBC in 2024, "I worked 20 hours a day, no rest. Madam took my phone. I ran to the embassy after 2 years." Stories like hers are common. Some apps now allow maids to report abuse online, but fear keeps most silent. Money flows one way. Dubai loves luxury, but who really pays? Oil money started the boom, yet Dubai produces only 1% of the UAE's oil. The city borrows heavily. Government companies like Emaar and Nakheel owe billions. In 2009, Dubai nearly went bankrupt. Abu Dhabi gave a $10 billion bailout. Hidden debt still worries experts. Real estate prices fall when buyers leave. In 2023, thousands of apartments were empty. Rents dropped 20% in some areas. Young expats arrive, party, and leave when contracts end. Locals call them fly-in, fly-out. Taxes are low, but VAT at 5% started in 2018. More fees may appear. Gold souks look rich, but small traders struggle against cheap copies from China. Dubai wants 40 million tourists by 2031. COVID proved the risk. Visitor numbers fell 67% in 2020. Water in the desert. Sand covers everything, yet fountains dance in front of hotels. Dubai uses 550 liters of water per person daily, double the world average. Dubai Electricity and Water Authority, 2023. Most water comes from the sea. Desalination plants burn gas and release salt into the Gulf. Fish die. Coral fades. Air conditioning cools indoor spaces but heats streets outside. Night temperatures rise 2 degrees Celsius because of this heat island effect. Sandstorms close airports. Climate scientists warn that by 2050, summer days over 50 degrees Celsius may be normal. Dubai plants mangrove trees and builds solar parks. Masdar City runs on solar energy, yet 99% of city power still comes from fossil fuels. Laws that surprise. Dubai markets freedom, but rules are strict. No public kissing, no swearing online. Fines up to $140,000. Alcohol needs a license. Drugs, even tiny amounts, mean jail. In 2023, a British man got 25 years for carrying CBD oil. LGBTQ people must hide. Same-sex love is illegal. Trans women risk arrest for dressing as men. Freedom House scored the UAE 17 out of 100 for rights in 2023. Media cannot criticize the royal family. Blogs close fast. Local voices. Emiratis are proud of their city. The government gives Emirati women scholarships and top jobs, but they make up only 10% of residents. Many feel like guests in their own country. Young Emiratis want change. They start tech firms and art galleries. Dubai Design Week shows their work. Still, old rules hold. A local poet told the national newspaper in 2024, "We love Dubai, but we want to speak freely." Steps forward. Dubai listens sometimes. In 2023, the government ended the noon work ban in summer. Workers now get 12:30 p.m. to 3 p.m. rest. Wages must go to bank accounts, not cash in hand. Midday break fines rose to $1,300 per worker. Cameras monitor construction sites. A 2023 wage protection system helped 200,000 workers get paid on time. Hotlines in 6 languages take complaints. The UAE signed ILO treaties against forced labor. Dubai also builds affordable homes. WASL and 𝐼𝐶 offer flats from $150,000, cheap for the city. Metro lines expand. Electric buses roll out. The happiness agenda measures smiles, not just money. What visitors can do. Enjoy the gold, ride the dunes, and see the skyscrapers. But ask questions. Tip your waiter. He may earn only $300 a month. Eat at small Pakistani or Indian cafes where workers relax. Visit the 𝐼𝐴 quarter to experience real history. Read worker rights cards in hotels. Choose hotels with fair trade or worker-friendly labels. Some pay cleaners $500 and give days off. Skip activities that harm animals like jet ski rides near coral reefs. Walk the creek at sunset, free, beautiful, and real. In conclusion, Dubai is magic and muscle. Glamour is real, tall towers, warm seas, big dreams. But the cost is real too. Workers sweat in heat. Maids cry in silence. Debt waits under marble floors. Water vanishes into fountains. Rules hide behind smiles. The city can change. It turned desert into downtown in one lifetime. Fair pay, stronger laws, and green energy are possible. Dubai wants to lead the future. The future needs everyone: builder, maid, prince, and tourist. Next time you see a perfect photo, remember the hands that held the camera and the hands that built the frame. Dubai looks perfect. Look again. Then help make it better for all. If you enjoyed this, be sure to subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for more valuable travel content. We sincerely appreciate your support.